Peeps, in this video, I come for fire BUN some cheesy politicians.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Now viewers, I have been of the opinion for a while now that many of our Jamaican politicians, they love to be seen, and everything is a photo op for them. Everything has to be broadcast to the world. Anything they are doing has to be fanfare with cameras here, there and everywhere. And it begs the question, are our politicians doing things genuinely, or they're doing things to gain clout and political points? I'll leave you to decide that. Truth be told is that the newest political garrison is social media. Social media now is a place where people crucify you for disagreeing with their favorite politicians, for calling out their favorite politicians, for voicing your concern about things happening in the country where you pay tax, you are not able to express your views, you are not able to express your dissatisfaction with whatever it is that you are dissatisfied with without people attacking you and telling you this and for your party that and for them party this, and the whole political landscape is as tribal and partisan as it ever was. Now back to what I come to talk about. As I said, I have been observing the politicians and everything. Cameras have to be there. Everything they do, every dollar they give to somebody or every shoes they give to somebody, it has to be photographed or video to be posted on social media. It's like politicians think they are giving us for them things, when in truth they are giving us what belongs to us. They are using taxpayers' money to give taxpayers things. So this constant desire to show that me do this and I me own this and I me did start this, like it's a little bit, distasteful on some levels. So it's Easter, the whole bun and cheese situation in Jamaica. Yummy Bun, Whitfield Bakery, HTB from Rona National, whole heap of companies both here make buns. We're seeing pictures and video clips emerging of Jamaica Labour Party member of parliament and councillors, issuing bun to their constituents. And there's nothing wrong with that. It is Easter. Give back to the people and support you. Nothing wrong with that something there. But the issue is that many of these buns have been placed in boxes that are stamped with the Jamaica Labour Party colours and Jamaica Labour Party political representatives. And some people are going to say, but teach, what's wrong with that something? I tell you what's wrong with it. You understand? The thing is that it would have cost thousands of dollars for these boxes to be printed with Jamaica Labour Party paraphernalia. This money could have been used to give to some youth when on a tablet for access online class, pay some internet bill for some youths for access online class. You understand? And Mark, me not tell us a politician to do every single thing, but this money could have been better spent. The thing is that our priorities are not straight. No, you as a political representative, I don't know that there's any constituency in the country where only Jamaica Labour Party supporters live or People's National Party supporters live. No matter how strong one party is in a constituency, there are other citizens living in said constituency that support the other party. You understand? If I even one. No, you brand bun to give out. Are you telling me then, as a Jamaica Labour Party representative, people from the PNP would readily accept a bun in a box that is covered with Jamaica Labour Party political representative faces? Are we doing this for only the people that will vote for we, or are we doing this for everybody who live in our constituency? And that again is part of the problem. It's like them not even members of the best buns don't even come in a box. And as me I say, it is good to treat your constituents. It is good to give your constituents the things that they deserve. It is good to use taxpayers' money to give back to taxpayers. But when you go out of your way now to brand these things with your color, your party color, and your faces, it kind of push the thing too far. And this is not a Jamaica Labour Party thing. The PNP would have been doing this for a long time too. I see PNP back juice about the place from time to time and them something like. And I know that people will say about teach, every organization brand them thing. If politicians want to give people with them color and thing, give them some bookmarker, man, and some little button and them something there. You understand? You cannot put your face and your party color upon bun where you say you give to people who for money buy it. Warm to the people that want to support the party there. If I did the PNP do it and them give some people support the Jamaica Labour Party with PNP colour upon it, it would then wrong same way. We need to call out these things. You understand? We can't allow these things to fester, Zane, and breed up. You understand? We have faced enough trials and tribulation because of our politics and politicians down the years. And we need to call out our politicians when they do these things. Yeah, of course. Brand your vehicle and brand your things then, but you can't brand BUN food where you give people. If you give people food to eat, you give people food out of you being a political representative and representing your people and provide a little bit of solace and comfort in these tough and trying times for your constituents. There's nothing wrong with that. By all means, give them. They deserve it. They are the ones who put you there. It is their tax-paying dollars where I ensure say you can buy some BUN. But why spend so much money to brand these boxes where I got dash way? You understand? Buy some tablets to some youth, man. Pay for some internet. Fix the road them. Put up some street light. Help make sure it's a water in the constituency, in the pipe. These are the things that are important. No one box with a BUN in there where people are going to eat and pass out and the box dash way and help pollute the place again and them something there. Jamaicans, we need to rise up, man. We need to wise up. You understand? We need to open our eyes up. And we need to understand. So look here. Certain politics, we're done with that. If a politician is going to give you something, he might give you out of the goodness of his heart. He not give you with an agenda for say, yo, me did give you this. If they might give you something, no fanfare and no media, no if you did it with no camera in your face, I say, yo, me did do this. Me I do this because it's my responsibility. It is the job that I took on to be a political representative and I represent my people them. If you are do things to your constituents and your constituency, nobody outside don't need to know. Your constituency will know and they will ensure that you are given other opportunities to continue to work. So if you are do the work in your constituency, no picture not have to take, no video not have to make, your constituents know so that are going. So what we really up to? Zane, what we have to build with Instagram profile and with Twitter profile or building constituencies and communities. What we really are build, peeps, what good.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.